Well, hello there, my real estate professionals of Texas. This is Alan Jimenez coming to you from U.S. Prime Lending and Houston Premier Agents. I'm a real estate broker, 15 years experience, over 150 transactions closed, millions of dollars sold, also $100,000 flips that I've done personally myself, and I have the closing statements to prove it, not just talking mess. Now, today's topic of discussion is why are wholesalers and people always asking for your fix and flippers? We all get these emails. Hey, do you have anything that needs repair? Do you have any sellers that just need to sell quick? We have cash. What are we doing with them? What do you think they're doing with them? They're taking those properties and they're coming to lenders like us at U.S. Prime Lending. We're giving them 70% of the ARV, which is the after repair value. We're buying the property for them. We're giving them the money to fix it. Now, my question to you is, why can't you do that yourself? And if you don't want to do it, send it to us. We'll partner up and go 50-50 on it. How does that sound? It's better than making $3,000 or $6,000. Wouldn't you want to make more, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $100,000 on a fix and flip project yourself? We have the money here at U.S. Prime Lending. We're going to give it to you. Let me show you how we'll do it to you. We'll do it. One example we just closed recently was a $500,000 flip. We gave him 70% of that $500,000, which is $350,000. He had it under contract for $225,000, $250,000. The repairs came on it for about $90,000 to $100,000. You do the math: $250,000, $100,000, $350,000. So he had zero dollars in, nothing. So he walked away at $500,000 minus $350,000. He gave us our money back plus the $100,000. We got our money back. Then he paid his commissions and stuff that needs to be paid from the realtor. So that's another 6 times 5, $30,000 plus title policy and closing costs, maybe $60,000. So he pockets $90,000 in his pocket, take home. After everything is done, we have the closing statement in my records. I have to take the name out though. And yeah, it can be done. Why aren't you doing it? I don't know. Let me show you how it can be done here at U.S. Prime Lending. Call me today, 832-305-7653, 832-305-7653. That's my personal cell phone, so feel free to text me as well. And do not forget to subscribe below and hit that little bell so it notifies you every single time we get training for you guys. It's 100% free. We don't want anything from you. You don't have to become a member here at the brokerage. You don't have to sign up with some kind of weird thing. We just want to make money with you and grow with you, prosper you. We all do good. God bless. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.